Hello, traders. FS Pep Collector here. Today is Friday, April 5th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So I think the pound yen on the monthly is very, very clear. I think that's a wave A. I think this is a wave B. I think we're currently in a wave C. I think we're currently in a wave 1, 2, 3 of wave C. I definitely still don't see any evidence that the wave 3 is over. It could actually go up and take out these highs before it actually starts at wave 4 and makes that wave 5. I think it's going to probably end around the 204, 205 area. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, like I was saying, there's definitely no proof that this trend is over. There's no engulfing move down. There's no lower high. There's no Fibonacci bounce. There's definitely no reason to think this is over. And like I said, it may actually be more likely that it does continue up to take out this high right around 196 area. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily, looks like we have the end of a correction. Looks like 1, 2, 3 waves down, 61% fib bounce. Looks like it's going up, and most likely it's going to continue to go up. So keeping that in mind, let's take it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, to me, it looks very clearly a wave A. It looks like a wave B, and it looks like a kind of like an ending diagonal wave C. Nice big impulsive move up. We had a big push down yesterday evening, but I think it is more likely that it is going to keep on going up, especially based on the higher time frames. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this was a very impulsive move down, and maybe it will actually make one more push down, end up looking like that, making a proper three-wave ABC pattern before it does go up. And you never know, if you do get a chance to go short at the wave B, and it just keeps on drifting down, then that's going to be like a bonus trade. But really, I think that this is at least going to make an ABC correction, bounce off a fib level, or possibly it is a motive wave correction and it's just going to keep on trending up for here. Either way, based on the much higher time frames, I am definitely looking for longs in an uptrend. Until these much higher time frames tell me otherwise, I will continue to look for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my membership program at fxpepcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.